You're in the middle of work, your phone buzzes. Another complaint, and then another. You need to respond, but you're slammed, and when you finally do, you're tired and annoyed, and that shows. One-off response, or silence, can lose you a customer or word-of-mouth referral you'll never know you missed. What if you could handle most complaints faster than ever, sound calm and professional, and not hire anyone? That's what we're walking through today. Before opening any AI tool, do this first. Spend 20 minutes writing out the complaints you get repeatedly. Go back through emails, texts, DMs, and reviews from the last few months. You'll probably find the same 8 to 10 issues: late deliveries, billing confusion, appointment mix-ups, quality concerns, slow responses. Write them the way customers actually say them. I never got my order, not fulfillment delay complaint. That plain language is what you'll need later. If you skip this, you'll build around problems you made up instead of ones you actually have. Here's where most people go wrong. They ask AI to write the whole response from scratch. AI doesn't know your refund policy, tone, or what you're willing to offer. You do. So write a rough draft first. Honest, not polished. Then paste it into ChatGPT or Claude with, "Here's my draft response to a customer complaint about this issue." Make it warmer and professional. Keep it under 100 words. Don't add promises or policies I didn't mention. That last part matters. AI slips an apology offers you never intended. Always read the output before saving it as a template. Once you have polished templates, load them into a chatbot so customers get instant replies even when you're off the clock. Tidio is worth looking at. Free plan available. Paid plans start around $29 per month. Connect it to your website, Facebook, and Instagram from one dashboard. If someone messages refund, they get your refund policy. If they type didn't receive, they get your order status message. Drag and drop builder, no coding required. Here's the honest limitation. Chatbots excel at catching scripted complaints, but the moment a customer types something outside the script, "My order arrived smashed, and it was wrong," they fall apart. Always include a clear exit. Type help to reach a real person. Don't trap customers with no way out. For negative public reviews, AI is genuinely useful. You're worked up? AI writes the calm version. Copy the review, paste it into ChatGPT, and try. A customer left this review. Write a response that acknowledges their concern, doesn't admit fault, and invites them to contact you directly. Keep it under 75 words. Don't sound defensive. Edit anything that doesn't sound like you or promises something you can't deliver, then post it. But here's the catch. AI can't read between the lines. It doesn't know if this customer complains constantly or if the claim is legitimate. Use AI to write the words. Use your judgment to decide what you're actually offering. For email complaints, Gmail's Gemini AI or Help Scout can help you draft replies faster without starting blank every time. AI doesn't replace good judgment and doesn't fix genuinely bad service. What it does is help you respond faster, sound calmer, and stay consistent on stretch-thin days. That complaint buzzing in during lunch? With the right setup, it gets a solid, professional response before you stew over it. That's usually the difference between a customer moving on and a one-star review everyone sees.